Okay, so this is a video of my test setup for my DCC EX shuttle project. Well, as you can see, I have the Arduino IR sensors placed on the track. They had to be quite a bit higher than I would have expected, so I'm going to have to redesign the holders. They are kind of tilted up, and I'm going to design them where they sit higher on the track. Also, as we've discussed, may want to put them in the side orientation, perpendicular to the tracks, but it does work with them parallel to the track as long as they're raised up high enough. So that's it, guys. Thanks for your help, and now that this test is successful, I can move forward.